Want to save 2 hours every single day? Here are 5 free AI tools that make your work faster and smarter in 2025. Let's dive in. Tool 1. ChatGPT, free version. ChatGPT. It can write emails, summarize notes, and even brainstorm ideas. Instead of spending 20 minutes drafting an email, you can get it done in 2 minutes. Tool 2. Notion AI. Perfect for students and professionals. It organizes your notes, creates summaries, and even generates to-do lists. No more wasting time rewriting tasks. Tool 3. Quillbot. It's a free paraphrasing tool that instantly rewrites text in clear English. Great for essays, reports, or improving your writing in seconds. Tool 4. Pictory. A video tool that turns any text or script into short videos with stock footage and AI voices. Perfect for creators who want fast content. Tool 5. Grammarly. Finally, Grammarly. It's like a free AI writing coach that corrects grammar, style, and tone in real time. This saves hours when writing essays or reports. So, these were 5 free AI tools to save you 2 hours a day in 2025. Which one will you try first? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Work Smarter AI for more time-saving tools every week.